Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can open a Degiro account. So all you got to do is press in the open the account section and it's going to ask you to select your country, and unfortunately you can see that it's been temporarily suspending and boarding new clients to our UK platform, but you can do the same thing if you were to go to a different country. So if you were to press login, for example, go back to open an account and press in any other country apart from the UK, for example Germany. It'll ask you for your email, username, password and restart password. Then all you will need to do then after is you will need to put in your details such as your credentials, so your passport, your ID for example, and then your investments. So for example, how much money you're making. Because it is an investment and a stock trading, they need to make sure that you can and you are reliable with your money. If you do tend to of course move on, and this is the email. So if we were to go through the Swiss login, just to give you a bit of an example of we're going to open my account, and then it's going to send you an email. So all you got to do is, of course, make sure that you are verifying your account via email. Complete your registration, and it's going to take you back into your application. Then all you got to do is log in, press in the cancel if you want to, and it's going to ask you for your personal information, identity verification, and then so on and so forth. And that's how you open an account with Degiro.